Shringaverasvaras is an effective home remedy made from ginger herb. This remedy is very effective in treating cold and cough in children. It can be given to children between the age group of 2 to 5 years old for an instant relief from cold and cough. Let's look at the ingredients used to make this mixture. Ginger. The ginger spice comes from the roots of the plant. It is used as a food flavoring and medicine. Ginger contains chemicals that might reduce nausea and swelling. These chemicals seem to work in the stomach and intestines, but they might also help the brain and nervous system to control nausea. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, ginger also breaks down the thick mucus and helps to expel out the mucus. Honey. Honey is a sweet and viscous substance made by several species of bees, but the best known of which are honeybees. Honey is made and stored to nourish bee colonies. Bees produce honey by gathering and then refining the sugary secretions of plants or the secretions of other insects like the honeydew of aphids. Honey is used because it has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antibacterial agent. It also helps in reducing cough and cold. In order to prepare this mixture, let's see how to extract ginger juice from ginger. Take mortar and pestle or any other source to make a fine paste of ginger. Cut the ginger into small pieces and put it in mortar and pestle. Pound and grind the ginger till it forms into a thick paste. This is how the ginger paste should look like. Now take a muslin cloth or any other cloth to extract the ginger juice from the ginger. Squeeze the ginger till you get the desired amount of ginger juice. Now let's look at the measurements required to prepare Shringaverasvaras. Take 10 ml or 2 teaspoons of ginger juice. Add 10 ml or 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix both the ingredients well. This is how the concoction should look like. It can be kept at room temperature for 12 hours. This mixture can be given to children 2 times a day. Thank you.